Hip roof style. Small hand-away portable toolbox measures 16. 7L x6. 9W x4. 9H. Store tools at your home, workshop, garage, car, or job site. Makes for an ideal accessory for the professional mechanic. Made from heavy-duty gauge steel with a corrosion-resistant powder coat finish which delivers strong and solid construction for added durability. Features a comfortable grip handle and a heavy-plated latch. Torin Big Red 16 Hip Roof Style Portable Steel Toolbox with Metal Latch Closure, red. Manufactured with precision for quality and performance. Top reviews from the United States. Just the right size for my tools. I liked everything and the price was great.